stage.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Firstly, I would like to thank my respected teacher and my dear friend for giving me a beautiful opportunity to speak in front of you. So today I am presenting and share about education. What is the value of education? As you know that education is a very important in our life. Without education we are nothing. Without education we are like blind. If you wanna become anything like doctor, engineer, businessman, teacher, lawyer, scientist, anything, so you will have to do hard work. If you do hard work, so after you can become anything. After you can become a scientist, anything. If you don't focus on your goal, if you don't hard work, so you can't become anything. As you know that if you are doing hard work, if you are doing hard work after when you grow up, when you become a good person, then all person will respect you. All person will cheer you. All person will talk to you. So if you are not doing hard work, if you are not doing hard work, when you become a loafer type, when you grow up, then all person will not care you, all person will abuse you. So in my opinion, you should know what is the value of education. You should become a good person. If you want to become a good person, so firstly you will have to get education. So you will have to hard work, and after that you can become anything. You know, I would like to share some point about education. If you are educated person, you can carry your hawker properly. If you are uneducated person, you can't carry hawker properly. If you wanna ask any person, like old man person, if you wanna ask, he will say that if you wanna become anything like loafer, good person, so he can say something about your life. Here present is two paths, wrong way and right way. If you want to choose wrong way, so you can't do anything, you can't become a loafer. If you choose right way, you can become a good person, you can become a good man in your life. You know, when will you choose good way, then you can't do anything, you can't make anything, you can't do. So now I would like to finish my topic. Thanks for listening to me.
आप सभी आदरणीय श्रोता बंधुओं को हमारा सप्रेम नमस्कार, आदाब, सलाम। बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता।